Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Google Drive stuck on loading file. First, you need to get off from your Google Drive. You need to go into your settings on your phone, and when you get up right there, you need to go for applications, and then on manage application setup you need to go on the search box and trying to find out Drive. Go for it, and then simply you need to put in action in which you're gonna simply go and clear the cache of all this setup. Here down you have these two options. Firstly, go on the second one, which is clear cache. You can get it up, and then also you need to go up to your Play Store. You need to make sure that when you get up here and you type Drive, and here you need to make sure that you have the latest version of Google Drive, and then it will shows up to fix that problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon.